In this video, we're comparing Motion versus Todoist. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Motion asks for more upfront setup. You'll connect your calendar, set your work hours, add tasks, and mark deadlines. It takes a few minutes longer, but the payoff is immediate. Your schedule is built for you from the start. Todoist is faster to get going. Sign up, start adding tasks, and organize them into projects. You don't have to connect a calendar or set work hours unless you want to. It's quick, but you'll need to plan your day yourself. The verdict? Motion takes longer to set up, but rewards you with automation. Todoist is faster to start, but leaves planning in your hands. Daily planning and scheduling. Motion automatically plans your day. Tasks, meetings, and deadlines are placed into your calendar in the best possible slots. If something changes, it updates in real time. Todoist leaves scheduling to you. You decide what to do, when to do it, and in what order. It's flexible, but on busy days, building your schedule can feel like extra work. Verdict? Motion saves time with automated scheduling. Todoist gives you flexibility, but needs more effort to manage. Task management. With Motion, every task becomes a calendar event. If you miss it, Motion reschedules automatically. Your list is always live and adapting. Todoist uses a clean, list-based system. You can group tasks, add labels, and set priorities, but you will need to adjust them yourself when things change. Verdict: Motion decides when tasks happen for you. Todoist lets you decide, but requires more upkeep. Collaboration and team scheduling. Motion automatically works around team members' availability and workload. Changes in deadlines or capacity are reflected instantly for everyone. Todoist offers shared projects, task assignments, and comments, but scheduling is still manual, meaning you have to coordinate directly with teammates. Verdict: Motion automates team scheduling. Todoist supports teamwork, but leaves coordination to you. Smart features and automation. Motion's main strength is automation. It uses AI to place tasks into your day, adapt to changes, and remove scheduling decisions entirely. Todoist focuses on organization tools, filters, labels, natural language input, and a productivity tracker called Karma. It has a basic AI assistant, but you still decide when to work on tasks. Verdict: Motion handles scheduling for you. Todoist helps you organize, but relies on you to plan. Pricing and value. Motion costs $29 per month for individuals or $49 per month with advanced assistant features. Teams of 5 or more pay $19 or $29 per user. No free plan, but there is a 7-day free trial. Todoist is cheaper. It has a free plan for up to 5 projects. Pro is $4 a month, and Business is $6 per user per month for more advanced team features. Verdict: Motion is more expensive, but saves time with automation. Todoist is budget friendly, but needs more manual work. Final verdict: choose Motion if you want your day managed for you. It's like having a personal assistant that builds and adapts your schedule automatically. Choose Todoist if you want full control and lower costs. It's quick to start, flexible, and customizable, but you'll need to keep it organized. The right choice depends on your work style, not which tool is better. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description for the best deals on whichever tool you choose. Thank you for watching. Till next time.